Today we're going to talk about anxiety and how anxiety has a relationship, a very close relationship with, I would say, maybe 70 to 80% of health conditions worldwide. And when I say a relationship with them, or it might be a risk factor, I'm talking about diabetes, cholesterol, triglycerides, obesity, insulin resistance, insomnia, not being able to sleep. Everything is connected to nerve function. And most of the conditions we see today have some way of connecting itself to anxiety that we see a lot today in society. How do we get rid of anxiety? How do we eliminate panic attacks if we have already gotten there? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. Anxiety is a very serious problem. It's basically stress on hyperdrive, and panic attacks are just anxiety on steroids. This is a situation which gets worse over time. And if you don't eliminate the cause, in this case we're going to talk about causes, you're not going to be able to find a solution. If you can't find a solution, well, then you're not going to be able to use or see the benefits of using some home remedy that will help you fix the condition you are facing. So number one, the first cause of anxiety, very common cause that we see all the time, is constant stress. We can stress out for just about anything. Some people will invent themselves stress on their heads, but we all go through stress. We have problems in our family, economics, things that we have to do every day that will trigger stress in our system, which is a normal response, but going over the top will then cause anxiety, which will make it much harder for us to resolve. Eliminate that constant stress. How can you do this? The first thing you have to do is maybe just address the situation you have and put it on a background, on a second intention, not something that is going to take you completely all day long to fix, but you have to fix, but you're not going to worry about it too much. And that stressful situation that you eliminate by using this technique and putting it in a second degree per se, or something you don't worry about so much, is going to help you reduce anxiety. What can you use at home? What home remedy can you use? Well, you can use passion flower. I don't know if you've ever used passion flower, but it really does help you calm at night, sleep at night, improve your sleep, which will then later the next day help you stay calmer. You can use also supplements like Passion Calm, Q Calm from Fineland, maybe even Magnezite. All these supplements also help. Number two, very common, is the excess caffeine or energizer drinks or stimulants you might be taking. Believe it or not, if you are stressed out with anything and you are taking coffee more than once a day, or simply taking once a day, it can actually duplicate or triplicate or just exponentially increase that stress that you are feeling, and later on that anxiety, and later on trigger those panic attacks, just because you're stimulating more of that nervous system to go out of control. How do you solve this? Well, you stop taking caffeine, right? You quit caffeine, you make sure that you're not taking any energy drink that is overstimulating your body, and you take maybe a home remedy like linden tea. Linden tea is also a herb that is very well used in South America, Central America, and is getting very popular in the States now, because it really does help you calm down. Instead of being a stimulant, it's something that can help you relax. If you want supplements that you can take every day, I recommend you use melatonin. You can use melatonin every day, Magnezite or Neuromatrix. Neuromatrix will help you even fix your nerves if this has been going on for quite some time now and has been damaging your nerves in any way. Number three, very important, a lot of people are not aware of this, is that constant repetitive negative thought. I receive calls all the time, and people will tell me, doctor, I am suffering from insomnia, I'm suffering from anxiety, I'm suffering from panic attacks. And sometimes I tend to ask them, well, are you one of those people who thinks a lot about everything they have to do, and they just overwhelm your mind with everything you are thinking about that happened to you, that is happening to you, and that probably will happen to you? If that's a yes, well, you need to cut that off. What do you need to do? You need to occupy yourself. A lot of people who have a lot of time will not occupy themselves with maybe a hobby, something you can do to not think about that thing that is happening to you in your life that you might happen or might increase the problem later on. Cut it out. Stop thinking about it, occupy yourself, forget about it, and make sure that you can just move on. What can you use at night? Chamomile tea will help you stop thinking at night. There are specific neurotransmitters that will put a brake to your brain also, because believe it or not, some people will overthink things when it's actually becoming a mental health issue. Number four, what is another cause? A sedentary lifestyle is also a cause of anxiety. Why? Well, if you're sitting down all the time, your body is nervously needing some movement movement. You need movement. You need circulation. You need oxygenation. You need to burn fat, sugar, cholesterol that is accumulating in your system, and your body's asking for that physical activity. And being in a sedentary lifestyle will cause you anxiety, and believe it or not, can cause you also panic attacks. What can you do? Well, exercises, right? And if you want a home remedy, you don't want to go out, you want something simpler, just stretch yourself out. Let that circulation improve. Believe it or not, it will really calm anxiety down. And if you go to the gym, you will notice that people who go to the gym come back home and they feel just relaxed, right? Number 5, unresolved emotional problems. Oh yes, again, maybe going through a divorce, maybe a heart breakup, maybe something that is affecting you. Well, try to fix it. I know it's hard. I know it happens to everyone. Maybe you need some spirituality, maybe going to Mass, confession, making sure that you can have that time with God, setting yourself apart from that emotional situation really helps people a great deal. And believe it or not, sometimes that anxiety and those panic attacks can happen because you do not have your faith put in something that you believe is going to help you relieve the situation that you are living in. And this is something real. What home remedy can you use? Well, ginger. You can also use ginger. Ginger, by the way, ginger is a tea that will increase neurotransmitters in your brain to give you a sense of happiness and relief. Ginger is something spectacular, really does that, and it really can help you. Maybe you want supplements that can help you out every day. You can use something like 5-HTP, like Q-Calm, Neuromatrix, again, or Oxy Elixir in capsule form. Number 6, hormonal and physical problem. Yes, of course. Anxiety comes from hormone disruption also. Thyroid, problems with your ovaries, testicles. That's why people that are young and that have those hormones, they have that physical activity, they have that life, that real that comes out of hormonal production, will not usually feel that anxiety as much. If they are in a surge, yes, during adolescence, then you will feel anxiety, but it's a different equilibrium problem, or it just went over the top, right? Because you're producing too many or too much of a volume of hormones that you don't really need. What is the way to solve it? What is the solution to this? Well, balance out those hormones. You don't want too much or too little of these hormones. Your thyroid, your ovaries, testicles, these are extremely important. And that home remedy you can use, ginger again. Ginger has iodine. It can improve the circulation and production of hormones in your body, improve a lot of what you think might be affecting you. You can use something like Metathyroid, CurQ Health, Neuromatrix. All of these, depending on the situation that you might feel is affecting you, can help you relieve for anxiety. Number 7, poor nutrition. Oh yes, this is a big one. Your body is desperate for vitamins or certain nutrients that you can't have, or you're not taking, or you're not eating. Well, then you're going to feel that anxiety of eating more and more and more. And your body's never going to be satisfied because you still need more nutrients. Change your diet. Fix it. Look for that solution. Consume more proteins, less carbs, more vegetables, more fruits, more vitamin-rich foods. And then you will see that your body is relieved, and it won't happen from one day to the next. By the way, will take probably a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year. It doesn't really matter. But if you do this constantly, you're going to see that solution come up the way you need. You want something that you can use at home. Food, real food. That is the home remedy. Or supplements like Green Shot from Fineland, Probillion, Multivitamin, D-enzymes. All of these supplements have all the nutrients, enzymes, probiotics, which also play a great role in anxiety and panic attacks. Nutrients, fruits, vegetables, everything your body needs to be able to absorb, feel satisfied, and feel great. Don't forget to give us a like button. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.